time to ride. That don't sound good. It sounds like we got an exhaust issue. Well, stay tuned because Gas Diesel Garage starts right now. Now, because this exhaust broke in two pieces, trying to construct it better on how it broke, what I did was I'm going to get rid of this flex pipe. That's what broke off. What we're going to do is just get about a 6-inch section of pipe, and then we're going to weld it around. But to get it the best I can, kind of lined up how it's supposed to do with these black marks, see? Like that. So I'm just going to cut this up part out, and then we should be good to go. Wish it were that easy, but nope. We gotta go get a flex pipe or about 6-inch pipe that'll fit in here and cover over here, and then we can weld it around and put it back on the car. Well, of course we gotta measure to see what we're getting. Okay, about 2 1/4 on that one. About 2 1/4, and about a 2 on that one. Well, of course, since we took the catalytic converter out, of course, over time, rust builds up, and then you snap bolts. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to weld a new stud on the exhaust manifold on this left side. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Left side of it. What we're gonna do is we'll take that and we're going to weld that to the exhaust manifold. And sorry, I got a better shot for it. There you go. Right like that. What a pain in the butt. Now you can extract it and drill it out, but what's the fun in that? Now obviously we're dealing with a tight space, and instead of taking the manifold out and then of course welding the stud to it, what I'm going to do is take that stud and a small little magnet and hold it up there just like that so I can weld this thing straight. There we go. Got a little straighter than that with the magnet, as you can see. Now it's time to weld this thing up. Alright, now that we got the stud welded onto the manifold, now we can start mocking up all this stuff and then welding everything back together so we can get this one on the road. Now what I like to do is I like to get it mocked up, tacked up, and then pull it back out so then I can go all the way around it with no problems. Okay, now that we got the exhaust all welded back up, it's time to go back on the car. Now it's time to check out my handiwork. Right. Okay, got that in, all welded up nicely, right there. O2 sensor in, all put back on the hangers. Okay. Right. Now it's time to start it up and see if it leaks. Much different, really quiet, no more leaks. Sounds good. Well, that's a wrap for this episode of Gas Diesel Garage. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell for the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. See you next time. Peace.